Good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Orlando, and today we are going to the adventure of Island Park. I'm so excited. I'll get ready in a bit, and then I'll start the video. But I just wanted to show you guys the view. Like living in New York, I forgot all the green spaces that exist. There are green spaces in New York, but not like near where I live. It's like very buildings, buildings, buildings. But I just wanted to show you guys the view from my window. 1 second. This is the view from my window. There is a lake right there, like literally right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry for the Tarak Mehta in the background. And can you guys see that over there? That is the park. It's that close. All set. All set for today. This is my outfit for today. So this is my breakfast plate. I got some pancakes, some potato patties, fruits and eggs. And Amog made a waffle for himself. So hi guys. So we'll quickly eat our breakfast now and then we'll head for the park. The breakfast is so yummy. It's like just plain pancakes and some potato tots and scrambled eggs. I love scrambled eggs. It's very delicious. I'm so excited for today because we are doing the Islands of Adventure, and the Islands of Adventure has the Harry Potter, like the entire castle. So I'm really excited for that. And then today morning, from our hotel room window, we could actually see a little bit portion of the castle. Oh my god! Wow, how tasty is that? Look what he's eating. मी camera switch कसं करू शकते? Okay, I don't know how to switch my camera. I'll do this.
It's made by me.
Yeah, he made it. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. काय बोल? असं काय असतं?
असं केलं असं हे असं तू करतेस.
So we are in the city bus right now. So there is a shuttle from our hotel to the park. So we are going to the park right now. Are you excited
Yes.
for today?
Very excited.
हे काय? पागल.
Excitement at it.
Yesterday, इधर ही से यहाँ से आते टाइम we were like, oh my god, so tired. But today we are like so excited. But I know by the time in evening we are going to be super tired. Legs will be hurting. All body parts will be hurting. Wow, I'm so excited for day 2. 1 second, I'll show you guys. काय
हल्कला सर्वात जास्त हाईटला बरोबर नाही जाऊ
बरं आहे माझी
छोटी
हाईट
पोरी नाहीये
लहान आहे मी नाही जाणार आहे
सॉरी
हल्क साठी अमोग एंटर
आपण तिकीट काढली आहे
Oh, Islands of Adventure. It's so pretty, guys. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty. Oh. Okay. We'll quickly check in and then I'll be back. Guys, that was the Velociraptor. I am not going in that ride, but Amog went. So I'm just waiting over here. I'll see if I feel like it. I'll see how his reaction is, and then if I feel like it, then only I'll go. But right now I'm just standing and waiting for him. He has gone for the ride. He's standing in the line. So,
खतरनाक
कशी होती ride? How was the ride?
great it's like a thrill no faint hearted no. If you want thrill come to this ride
We are going for the Jurassic Park ride right now. This ride is a water ride, so we are wearing these rain ponchos. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys. That ride was so scary. At the end, there is a part where the T-Rex comes. It's like completely blackout. They take us up. A T-Rex comes and then like he comes out of the smoke and then doop. Oh my god. After the ride, I was literally shivering for 2 minutes. Literally shivering. I had to sit down so that I could calm down. It was amazing. Oh god. we just got done with the with two rides of Harry Potter. One was the Hagrid one, which was amazing, 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 amazing. The feeling was amazing after the ride, but during the ride, my eyes were closed all the time because I was so scared because it was like picking up faster and then dropping, picking up faster and then dropping. So it was very scary. And then the Harry Potter castle ride was amazing, like amazing, like no comparison. Like it was amazing. If you guys ever come to Universal Studios, you have to go to that ride. It is a little scary, but it's amazing. And now we are going for the Bugsby ride. So I'll see you guys in some time. Bye. So, guys, this was the best hack at Universal. Buy this $21 cup and boom, unlimited refills all day. There are refilling stations literally everywhere in Universal. And yes, I had the zero sugar peach lemonade like more than 10 times. It's raining again. We're trying to find a place. Huh? Okay. We're going to the restrooms now. Oh my god. Look at that. Photo funnies. Oh my god, look at this. Huh? I'll be back. So it's raining right now. That's why they have closed all the outdoor rides, but some indoor rides are open, like the Amazing Spider-Man. So we are going for that ride right now. And this entire like Marvel space is just like street, and then the stores are so well designed, like they look like comic book pages. We are standing in the line for Amazing Spider-Man, and we are praying that the weather like clears out, the rainstorm clears out, so that this person could go on the Hulk ride. नाही क्लिअर झाला.
Next time. नहीं होगा clear होगा क्यों?
होगा होगा क्लियर होगा. Prayers worked. The Hulk ride, they resumed the Hulk ride. It's still raining a little bit and there's like a thunderstorm, but they resumed it, and people like literally ran and like they went for that ride. But they are just putting like single person in each rows, but it looks fun, but not for me. But my friend Amog, he went, so I'm just waiting here for him, and then we'll go back to our hotel, and then we'll eat something. So I was thinking we'll just take some, because they have a Trader Joe's here nearby. So I was thinking we'll just take something like ready to eat, because we like have a microwave oven in our hotel room. So we'll just take something and then eat and then go to bed. So tomorrow we are going back to New York, and this was a very fun trip. I I like I feel very speechless because I don't know, like I feel very blessed, I feel very speechless, and especially like my favorite part was the Harry Potter rides and then the castle. Like right now when it was raining, it literally felt like I am in the movie. You know the scenes where it in the movies how they have shown the castle and it's very dark, like as the movie like in all the movies basically. So it literally felt like that. And even for the Kong Skull Island, the oh my god, the set that they have created, it's so amazing. Like if you see it in person, you will feel like you are over there, like in that movie. So it was really fun and I enjoyed my time here. I will definitely when I'll end this vlog, I will do like I'll tell you guys how much money I have spent on the tickets, the park tickets, flights, food and everything. And then I got some souvenirs as well. So I'll show you guys what souvenirs I got. But I'll tell you guys that. And then what else? Nothing. Can you guys hear the screaming? It's the Hulk roller coaster. Wait, I'll show you guys. Amma, how was your experience?
मस्त एकदम भारी था. It's like a I can't even explain. It's very unreal. All the speed and the furious.
Guys, look at the rainbow. So pretty. Wow. Can you guys see the rainbow? It's like very fainted now, but I'll put a clip of the rainbow that I had seen. Look at the view. Until next time, bye bye, Universal Studios. So, which was your favorite part of the trip?
Yeah, it's easy. The rides.
Which ride?
First, Velocicoaster, then second, Hulk, and third, Hagrid, and everyone else below that. But the top is Velocicoaster.
And for me, the first ride that I loved was the Harry Potter ride, which is inside the castle. The second one was Hagrid. It was scary, but I enjoyed it. My eyes were closed the entire time, but I enjoyed it. The second was that. And then third, I think the Harry Potter ride again, which we did the Green God ride that is inside that bank. So that one was also amazing. So these were my top three rides. Yeah. So I'll end the vlog right here. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm back from my trip and I wanted to I wanted to shoot this clip separately because I wanted to talk about the budget of this trip, how much I had spent for the flights, for the hotel, for the transportation, for the park tickets, and in general, money related things, and the food and everything. So I have written down everything. I have this habit of planning the entire trip beforehand. Like I have a habit of writing down everything, like the places we'll go, and what will be the mode of transportation and how much money we should keep aside for the food or if we want to do shopping. So I just plan out everything because it helps me think clearly and I know where my money is going. So, first thing was the hotel. I will add the link of the hotel down below in the description box in case if you guys want to check it out. If you travel to Universal Studios, the hotel was really very good, very comfortable, no issues or anything. It was really very good. The hotel's name was Rosen Inn, and we paid. So I'll be telling you per person how much it costed. So I paid $144 for the hotel for 2 nights and 3 days. And then so we reached Orlando at 9:30 in the morning, around 9:30 in the morning. So we had to, and the check-in was at 4. So we had to take a early check-in, and so we had to take a early check-in. So I paid $30 for early check-in, and then it was $144 for break for 2 nights 3 days. And then the breakfast buffet was for $13 per person. That was like every day. And then the return flight tickets from New York to Orlando, Orlando to New York, was $90, and I think it was very reasonable. We traveled through Spirit, so you have to make sure you carry one carry-on bag. They don't allow even a small fanny pack as well. You have to put everything in just one bag. And that also they measure, they put it, there's this box that they have near the boarding counter. They put your bag in that box, and if your bag doesn't fits in that box, you have to pay extra $100. So it's like, it's a cheap flight, but you have to pack very light. Then the park ticket was $365 for two park, and this is the per person cost, $365. And then the food expenses for 2 days, 2 nights, 2 night 3 days, like all the food expenses in the park and everything, it was $100 per person. And then if you need to buy souvenirs and gifts for your friends, family, you need to save up more $100 for the souvenirs. Like that depends. That cost depends person to person basically. And then the transportation from airport to the hotel, we took a Uber, which was $23. And then we took a then while going back home, the third day we went to the city park again with the free shuttle. And then from the city park we took a Uber to the airport, which was $30. And transportation to the park was very good because they had free shuttles during the morning hours. The last shuttle used to go at 10:30. So that was a very amazing thing because our transportation cost over there got saved up. They had a free shuttle to go to the park and then a free shuttle to come back as well. So that was the best thing. So yeah, this was the budget portion. I will put everything over here so you guys could take a screenshot of it, and then I'll put the hotel link in the description box below. That's it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and keep showing your love. Thank you. Bye.